Cooking with Kid Joy. On today's episode, we'll be making Ooey Gooey sticky buns. Hello guys, and what we got here is butter, brown sugar, biscuits, apricot, raisins, and cranberries. I'm gonna melt the butter. Now we pour our butter into the pan. And then we add brown sugar.
Grab a big fistful. Grab a lot of it. There you go.
So now that we add the brown sugar and that sprinkle a little cinnamon, now we're gonna add the raisins. So now we add the apricot. So now we add some raisins. So now we put the biscuits in a pan with the fruit.
Make sure the biscuits are touching and don't leave any space. You can use the big biscuits or the little biscuits depending on how many people you're trying to feed.
Now we got the biscuits in the pan. Let's put it in the oven for about 8 minutes.
We also stuck a small biscuit in the middle to cover the space.
So now let's put the biscuits out of the oven. But remember kids, get adult supervision.
So now here's the tricky part. Take a larger plate and put it over the biscuits. Here's how you get Ooey Gooey sticky buns. Pick the whole pan up, cover the plate, and flip it. Make sure you hold tight. Let that cool for about a minute.
Look at these Ooey Gooey sticky buns! And now I am ready to eat, and it's been so fun to do this with you. And if you like this video, then smash that like button. I'll see you next time. Bye! Hey guys, and welcome back to Cooking with Kid Joy. And here's our Ooey Gooey sticky buns. I have a cup of coffee.
And I've got my chai tea, because I don't drink coffee.
And we got some fruit on ours. And I'm ready to eat.
I know, right? You want to try it?
Yes.
So, oh man, that's good.
Yeah, that's good.
So Troy and I are gonna eat breakfast. We really enjoy doing these videos and showing them and bringing these culinary delights. to you guys so you can enjoy them too with your parents. So we'll see you on the next video. I'm cooking with Kid Troy. Bye.